Hi there everyone, I'm Pascal. I've been working in development cooperation for more than 25 years, mainly in communications related positions. So let me quickly tell you why I believe that basically anyone working with communications in a development cooperation project can make excellent use of this course of mine. I've observed two important issues in my field. The first one is that junior communications officers almost never have any professional training in communications when they start their first job. And they also don't receive this first training on the job. They're hired for a degree in an area that relates to the project's core activity, for instance, agriculture. And this is also true for their supervisors. So when they're on the job, they learn how the communications is done in the project by someone who's also just learned it by someone. So it lacks this professional approach. Which brings me to my second point. The most fundamental issue with communications work carried out by development projects is not even the quality of their products and activities, but the lack of strategic consideration as to where and how the tools are used. This integrated forward thinking in terms of aiming at a goal is provided by a communication strategy. A proper negotiated strategy, that is, not a concept note that lists all the existing communications activities and tools with some elaborate factual description. So in this course, you'll learn how to set up a communication strategy for your project that is worth being called a strategy. Let me quickly take you through the contents of the course. The overall structure looks like this. We will first speak about what a communication strategy in development cooperation is, what it is composed of, then we look at how to set up the strategy, and finally at the implementation of it. In the course layout, you'll find all the chapters of each of the main sections, which will show you how we're going to approach the challenge. Because that's what it is. It's a challenge. Setting up a communication strategy for a project in development cooperation is not an easy task. But that's what the course is for. You'll learn it. Now, two more things you should know about this course. Everything is about the goal and audience focus. And the hard stuff is actually the soft stuff. I hope I got you convinced to join me on this first course. By the end, you'll know what the hard stuff is and what the soft stuff is and a whole lot more. So let's get cracking. Come join me.